Good morning, Dark Horse Nation. Hope you guys had a good night. It's Saturday morning, and early Saturday morning. I've been awake since about, 1:30 this morning. It was so hot last night that I woke up basically in a sweat, and I haven't turned the air conditioning on yet, and I woke up. I just couldn't go back to sleep, guys, and had so much crap on my mind, just about various things in general, world politics, my own life, things I would still like to accomplish, things I want to do. We all have that point in our lives sometimes, no matter what age you may be. You always question, things that you've done or may do, no matter how old we get, guys, we still have dreams. We still want a great future for ourselves. It's just thoughts that people have. So, it's funny how your mind works sometimes, and there comes a time in your life you want the absolute best for yourself. Because when you've spent so much of your life taking care of others and making sure others had what they needed, you put them before you did yourself over the years. And the sad thing is, come to find out, it wasn't appreciated, And so I guess sometimes it makes you question why you did the things you did. Why did you sacrifice so much? And sad thing about it is, guys, we all go through that. You spend your life in a factory or behind a desk or, making a career out of something to benefit your family and your children. And when the time comes near at the end, it's like, it seems like they don't care, And so you end up spending the rest of your days basically by yourself. And if you're lucky enough, you will find someone who wants to spend that time with you and be there with you. Because they just love you for you, And hopefully you're lucky enough to experience that, I have, and I'm grateful that I have met someone who makes me happy. She gets me, you know what I'm saying? And it's nice, to have a special someone by your side. They help you get through the day, if nothing else, to have someone to laugh with, smile with, share things with. That's nice. But as I sit here this morning early, and I just had to come outside and shoot this video today, I mean, I'm sure you guys have had some of the same thoughts. Why do I do the things I do? Why do I sacrifice the things I sacrifice? And and it's just what we do, guys. You know. So it's nice to get up and get outside. I'm watching the bluebirds work on their little new home. And I just wanted to share a sunrise with you guys. And the sun's coming up, and hopefully it's going to be a grand day. I'm tired. Yes, I'm tired. I couldn't sleep. I mean, I worked the late shift for years and years, so it's nothing for me to be up late at night, then get through the day and take a nap and be good to go, you know what I'm saying? But guys, I hope you all have a very, very happy, safe weekend. I just had a thought in my head today. I had to get up and just express myself, and enjoying the morning sounds. I mean, the birds, they're wide awake and doing their thing. And guys, it's just amazing. So if you'll bear with me, I'll walk us around the property this morning and see the sun come up. And you know what, guys, we're going to get this Saturday started. And we'll go from there. And it's going to be a great day, y'all. And I am old enough to do what the hell I want to do. And it's early, but you know what, guys? I'm going to get this morning started. I'm staying home today. And what do we say, Dark Horse Nation? Damn. That's good. Alright, guys. I'm just walk around the property and let you guys hear the morning sounds. It's beautiful out here. And it's a great day to be alive. So hang tight. And I'll show you guys around. Alright, Dark Horse Nation, just wanted to share a few morning sounds with you guys. You guys have a safe, blessed Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. And please like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. And guys, take care. Stay positive. Everything's going to be alright. Alright guys, I'll catch you all later. Please have a great weekend. And take care. And God bless.